So today we are going to discuss on planning. And planning, as you all are aware, is one of the first and foremost managerial function, isn't it? When they ask you to reflect upon the different management function, the first function that comes to our mind is planning. It all starts with planning, isn't it? And because the future is so uncertain, you can sail through it effectively if you have a plan. So you might have made a number of plans. Day in and day out, we make plans. How many of you plan your days? आज क्या कुछ करना है? Anybody who decides first and try to do things accordingly? जिसको कहते हैं planning the day, या it is reflected as preparing a to-do list. आज क्या कुछ करना है? What things are to be done? देखिएगा जो लोग बहुत sorted होंगे ना, वो बहुत successful होंगे. Do things in a very planned manner. In fact, it is said that if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. देख कितना ही अच्छा लाइन है ये, कितना convincing line है. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. कोई प्लान ही नहीं है आपके पास, तो नतीजा क्या होगा? Ultimately, you are going to fail. Right? तो हम लोग अपने रिस्क को कम करते हैं थ्रू प्लानिंग. ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक प्लान सक्सेसफुली होता है, लेकिन द चांसेस ऑफ फेलियर इज देयर बाय मिनिमाइज्ड. राइट? नहीं तो कोई भी कंपनी फेल होती ही नहीं. कोई भी जो लाइन ऑफ एक्शन है वो इनएफेक्टिव होता ही नहीं. लेकिन वी फेल एट टाइम्स. बट failure could be ascribed to a number of reasons. लेकिन planning से your success. Good morning. Your chances of success will be very high. You will succeed by and large. So, any idea what is meant by planning? And don't go by definitions. वो सब तो हर एक book में आपको मिल जाएगा. When you think of planning, what comes to your mind? But then I have planned to become a senior cadre manager in a corporate world. I plan to set up my own enterprise. I have planned to visit my friend today. कुछ भी हो सकता है प्लानिंग, क्योंकि बिना प्लानिंग के आप डायरेक्शन कहाँ जाएगा? Where are you headed to? अगर आपको सोचा ही नहीं है, आपने सोचा ही नहीं कि जाना कहाँ है, doesn't make any sense. How can you reach there? Another quotation that comes to my mind is, if you do not know where you want to go, very good Shubham, thinking for the achievement of the desired goals. Very good, perfect, Shubham. So it is said that if you do not know where you wanted to go, any path would lead you there. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको जाना कहाँ है, तो कोई भी रास्ता आपको वहां पहुंचा देगा. Getting it? What I mean to say? If you do not figure out, if you have not figured out कि मुझे जाना कहाँ है, तो आप रास्ता क्या पूछ रहे हैं? कोई भी रास्ते चले जाइए, क्योंकि आपको तो पता ही नहीं कि आपको जाना कहाँ है. So planning में we decide where we want to go. यानी in planning we set the objectives and we decide the course of action for achieving it. प्लानिंग में बेसिकली दो बातें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. प्लानिंग में लोग कहते हैं कि प्लानिंग विल आंसर यू ऑल WH क्वेश्चंस. सही है, बिल्कुल सही है. प्लानिंग में सारा WH क्वेश्चंस, who, what, when, where, how, every WH क्वेश्चन जो आपके दिमाग में है सभी का जवाब प्लानिंग में मिलेगा। लेकिन जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जिसका जवाब मुझे मिलेगा वो है what we have to achieve and how we are going to achieve it। दो चीजें, objectives and courses of actions for achieving the objective। ये दो बातों पर आप बहुत फोकस होते हैं, बाकी डिसीजन तो सपोर्टिंग में है, कब, कैसे, कौन, वो सब तो that could be worked out, उसे वर्कआउट करना होता है। लेकिन सबसे जो मेजर डिसीजन है वो है what is to be achieved, that is objective, and how it is to be achieved, that is the courses of action। याद रखिएगा। So these are the two major decisions that are made during the planning। So we can reflect on planning as to what planning is. It is a process of deciding in advance। जब शुभम ने बोला thinking beforehand, तो वो exactly वही मीन कर रहा था। वो deciding in advance as to what is to be achieved and how it is to be achieved। Simple। बहुत ज्यादा मुझे कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना है। क्या हासिल करना है और कैसे हासिल होगा, ये दो मेजर इश्यूज हैं। So when we make a plan, we decide in advance what we want to achieve, what goals we are concerned about accomplishment, and what courses of actions will have to be followed in order to achieve those goals in the most effective and efficient manner। यहां पर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा। Achieving the goal is not the only concern. How we can achieve the goal in the most effective and efficient manner, यहां पर है ट्विस्ट। कुछ भी करने से कुछ भी अचीव हो सकता है, लेकिन सवाल है कि किस कॉस्ट पर आपने अचीव किया। Have you been able to achieve the goal in the deadline? जितने समय में गोल अचीव करना था उतने समय में हुआ क्या, और किस कॉस्ट पर हुआ है। How much cost have incurred on achieving the goal? दोनों चीजों पर फोकस करना होगा। And you have made a plan। Remember the last time when you decided to celebrate your birthday party? Tanay, thinking in advance what is to be done, when it is to be done, and how it is to be done, and by whom it is to be। Well, very good, hats off to you, Tanay। You have said it perfectly। सारा WH क्वेश्चन अभी जो तने ने भेजा है मैसेज, एग्जैक्टली वही है। कब, क्या, कब, कहाँ, everything। Good going, Tane। Be a part of the discussion process। I like it very much। And you can talk to me directly if you so like। It is very important that you are very attentive, reflecting upon the discussion। And you can watch yourself। Tane could figure out कि आज YouTube पर इसका जिक्र होने वाला है, because the entire thing will be uploaded today। Planning means do everything in right way and right essay। Perfect, Atul। Atul, you are perfect। क्योंकि अगर आप प्लान नहीं बनाते हैं, यू आर डायरेक्शनलेस। कहाँ जाना है, क्या अचीव करना है, पता ही नहीं है, तो चांसेस ऑफ फेलियर तो आपने वैसे ही बढ़ा लिया है। अभी तो रेस शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है कि आप हार चुके हैं। सेटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड डिटरमाइनिंग द कोर्सेज ऑफ एक्शंस। परफेक्ट, प्रज्ञा। सो व्हेन यू मेक अ प्लान, you decide what you are up to and how you can get it in the best possible manner, right? So it is a process। it is deciding in advance। पहले डिसाइड कर लेते हैं क्या अचीव करना है, कैसे अचीव करना है। In other words, We have to achieve the objectives in the most effective and efficient manner. Mind it, you are said to be effective if you achieve the objectives. And you are said to be efficient if you use the minimum of resources for achieving the objectives. यहीं पर मैनेजमेंट में बात होती है ऑप्टिमल यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज की. यू आर अकाउंटेबल. किस कॉस्ट पर अचीव किया, अचीव करना हैट्स ऑफ, कमेंडेबल. आपने अचीव किया है, यू आर एन अचीवर, अपने यू डिजर्व अपलॉज. लेकिन सवाल है किस कॉस्ट पर. आदि वो होता है ना, पिक्चर तभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. आपने पूरा क्रेडिट ले लिया, आई हैव अचीव्ड द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. बाद में पता चला कि भाई साहब ने तो बहुत ज्यादा खर्चा किया हुआ है. 10 रुपया जनरेट किया है और 100 रुपया खर्चा किया हुआ है. हालांकि ऑब्जेक्टिव 10 रुपया जनरेट करने का था, आपने अचीव कर लिया. यू जनरेटेड ₹10 as revenue for the organization, so you have achieved the objectives. Jatin, planning is the primary function of management and it precedes all other. Very good. In fact, we will come to that, Jatin. तो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि नेचर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट कैसा है, नेचर ऑफ प्लानिंग कैसा है. सो राइट, परफेक्ट. सो वी आर वेरी कंसर्न कि ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव करना है एट द बेयर मिनिमम कॉस्ट. राइट, वहीं पर कंसेप्ट आएगा ऑप्टिमल यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज की, मिनिमम वेस्टेज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. वेल सेड प्रज्ञा. मिनिमम, क्योंकि रिसोर्सेज कम टू यू एट अ कॉस्ट. माइंड इट, रिसोर्सेज आपको मुफ्त में तो मिला नहीं है कि आप जैसे मिसयूज करें. नोबडी विल बी आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. आप इतना वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो परहैप्स ऑब्जेक्टिव जो आप अचीव कर रहे हैं, इट इज नॉट वर्थ अचीविंग इट. 100 रुपए का सामान बेचिएगा और 500 रुपया खर्चा कीजिएगा उसको बेचने पर, ये तो फुलिश अप्रोच हो गया ना. Although you are generating the revenue, still you are not making a profit. Profit कहाँ है? हमें तो प्रॉफिट चाहिए ना. रेवेन्यू आपने बहुत अच्छा जनरेट कर दिया है, वेरी गुड. लेकिन बाद में पता चला कि एक्सपेंडिचर तो बहुत ज्यादा ही था एज कंपेयर टू रेवेन्यू. तो वैसा रेवेन्यू जनरेट करने से क्या फायदा है. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द वन बेस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग. राइट शिवम. याद है टेलर ने कहा था देयर इज वन बेस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स एंड द मैनेजमेंट विल हैव टू फिगर आउट दैट वे. कौन सा तरीका जो है सबसे बेस्ट वे है. सेल्फ रिलायंस. रवि राज, ये तुम अपने लोगों का नाम सुनना आज, सब सारा का नाम. यू विल एप्रिशिएट कि योर कंट्रीब्यूशन वाज देयर. रवि राज. And I would love to कि आप switch on करें अपना video and you can talk to me face to face. Planning is a determination of future courses of actions. Wow. Perfect. I missed your name perhaps. Yes. Nature यानी features. What is so characteristics about management? तो सबसे पहला जो feature है that is it is goal oriented. जब planning की बात होगी तो goals की बात होगी. Right, there will be goals that are required to be achieved. So planning is a very purposeful activity because here we set the goals and we try to achieve it. Why? Great, Subham. Goal oriented group process. So goal oriented planning may, the first thing is that we will be setting a goal that we will attempt to achieve it. Number one. Second, it is a primary function. Primacy. Matlab, this is the basis for all other functions. Achieve the desired goal. Vaishnavi. So we are very concerned कि हमारा जो goal है वो achieve हो और जो desired goals हैं उसे achieve करना है. Vaishnavi has said that. And this is the there is a primacy because this is the first and foremost managerial function. सबसे पहला managerial function यही होता है. Because every other managerial function will follow from this. Ritu Raj, mental activity, perfect. Because it is involved with thinking. We think what decision is to be made. We analyze and we arrive at a decision. It's a mental process. Most important, it is a mental exercise. Tanay, very good, very good. Both of you talk at the same wavelength, Ritu and Tanay. It is an intellectual process because here we will be analyzing things. We will be thinking what you have said right now. We will be analyzing and arriving at a decision. So therefore, it is a mental process, intellectual process. Next, it is a pervasive process. इसका क्या मतलब है? Pervasive. Very good, very good, very good. Ayushi, अभी हम लोग pervasive की बात कर रहे थे. It is required at all levels of management. Very good. Ayushi, you have said it. Management will cover all the different levels of the organization. It will touch all the entire organization. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारा तो जो मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट है वहां प्लानिंग होता है, फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में तो प्लान होता ही नहीं है. नो, all the different yes, Rituraj, continuous process. Pragya, level of organization. Yes. All the different levels of organization will be. Shivam has said it is a flexible. Well, देखिए कैसे आइडिया सवार है. Very good. So all the different levels of the organization will be touched upon. Therefore, it is pervasive. It will cover the entire organization as far as planning is concerned. Intangible, of course, Khushi. It is intangible. Therefore, it is an intellectual process. Well said, Khushi. Flexible, you have said it. And multidimensional, Subham, you are correct, absolutely. Flexible because it is a very dynamic process. We have to change our plan as per the situation. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आपने प्लान बना लिया है तो इसका वो प्लान ही फॉलो करेंगे कोई. If the situation so requires, we can change the plan. Changing times के साथ मेरा प्लान भी चेंज करता जाएगा. Obviously, it is a futuristic because we are concerned about achieving the outcome in future. कहते हैं ना, leap before you. Pragya, change according to changing times. Well said. Flexibility. If you could relate with the topic that we are discussing, na, that will be more. जैसे Pragya ने कहा, it change with changing times. That is flexibility. Planning also promote innovation. Obviously, Ayushi, you are absolutely correct. Continuous process, your friend has just now written about it. It's an ongoing process. It will be carried out on and on, right? It involves choice. Your friend has said that. Somebody has sent it. It involves choice because it is all about decision making. Planning is essentially a set of decisions that you make. Okay? So planning also helps in controlling. Shivam, perfect. Planning helps in controlling, obviously, because you set the standards. In planning, when you have set the objective, you set the benchmarks against which you are going to measure your performance. To what extent have you been able to achieve the same? उसे आप controlling कर सकते हैं. How we are making a progress, you can track it. If you are not on the right direction, if you are not at the right pace, you have to expedite. You have to speed up. If you are lagging behind, it helps in coordination. Well said. Well said. All the different plans will have to be coordinated. Shubham, rightly said. देखते हैं, top level plan must coordinate with the middle level plan, the lower level plan, everything. Kanishk, Bhardwaj. Planning is deciding in advance about future actions. Right. Absolutely correct. Kanishk. And it also leads to efficiency because we are reducing about that one best way of Rahul Sinha. Planning reduces overlapping and wastage activity. Perfect. Well said, Rahul. Ravi Raj, achieving full resources. Planning is futuristic. That is what I was telling you. Ravi Raj, developing premises. That is how the plan is to be made. Sony, planning is a process of existing of several steps. Obviously, it is a systematic process. इसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे coming class में. Ratnesh, what to do? Sorry, Kajal, required to considerable time for implementation. Obviously, it will take because it is meticulously decided. Therefore, it is a time-taking exercise. Well said. Well said. You people are great. It helps in eliminating risk obviously, Subham, it will help you arrest the risk factor to a large extent, because future is very uncertain. Ayushi, planning is a way. Optimal utilization, Jatin, Khushi, wow. Bombardment of messages, Pragya, planning provides direction. Perfect. बहुत अच्छी बात कही तुमने. Planning provides direction. क्योंकि तभी तो गोल है ना, गोल से आपको डायरेक्शन मिलता है. You have the goal and therefore your effort will be directed towards achieving the goals. And planning se na, you will be able to get the things in the best possible manner. It's a function of management. Sony is saying planning will help you. It is one of the managerial function. In fact, it is the first and foremost managerial function. Now we are coming to the end of the discussion, but in a few minutes we will be winding up the uploading part. उसके बाद हम लोग common discussion पे चले आएंगे. So planning helps to make rational decisions by choosing the best possible alternatives. More and more responses are coming up. Very good, excellent. This is how the class should be carried out. और coming classes में ना, अगर आपको पता हो कि कैसे हम लोग hand raise करते हैं, इसको हम लोग try करेंगे. You will love it. आपको फिर मजा आने लगेगा. The more, very good. Wow, great. You have raised your hand. Yes, तुम्हारा पूरा नाम नहीं आ रहा है. Kan, K-A-N. Yes, you want to say something, so say it. You wanted to say, so raise hand karenge na, and I will ask you to speak up and you can exercise. Mental exercise, Rahul has said. So next class में आप लोग hand raise करेंगे and you will talk to. अभी आपने लिखा है, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. Excellent. I was not expecting. लेकिन जब आप interact करेंगे ना, when you start sharing your ideas spontaneously, तो और मजा आएगा. And we should enjoy doing things. कोई कंपल्सन में नहीं कि जबरदस्ती आपको कुछ हम कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो जिस तरह से आपने रिस्पॉन्ड किया है, it is overwhelming. In fact, beyond expected. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, when to do, and how to do it. Deepak Kumar, well said. So, Tanay, planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Well said, Tanay. Perfect. Amritanshu Parashar. Planning encourages the development of what if scenario. Very good. What if? Well said. It was not said by anybody else. So, very well said. You have interacted a lot today. And I expect the same level of interaction in the coming classes. In different formats. आप message भेजें, आप interact करें, ask questions, come face to face. जैसे भी आप चाहें, आपकी मर्जी. लेकिन be a part of the discussion. And today the discussion was indeed very fruitful. And I'm going to upload all this on YouTube, and you can figure out and management circle, DK Singh #management circle, and you can figure out. हालांकि हम अभी इसको WhatsApp पर भी लिंक भेज देते हैं, जो हम हमसे कनेक्टेड है WhatsApp पर वो भी देख सकते हैं. It is all because of you. No, it is all because of you. Because you people have been so interactive, therefore I could in a position to upload this today. So make sure कि आप इसी तरह से contribute करें. I will, and definitely. वहीं से कहानी शुरू होगी environmental scanning से. Coming class में जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे process of planning, it will all start from environmental scanning, and essentially process of deciding in advance what to do. Yes, Mrigendra, Saurav. More and more people are interacting. Shyam Rajput. No, you are great, Shyam. Because of your commitment, we have been able to do things. And keep it up, all of you. You people are very dynamic one. And just keep great guns, keep ahead, and watch out today. सबका नाम भी आएगा, लेकिन अगर आप पाते ना स्क्रीन पर तो आपका चेहरा भी आएगा. And you would have loved to. ठीक है? So, in fact, अब आपको मैं email दे देता हूँ. रुक जाइए, just hold on. I am sending you my email address. लिंक तो खैर फेसबुक पे व्हाट्सएप पे भी चलाएगा, व्हाट्सएप पे आप देख सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट सिंह, दिस इज द ईमेल एड्रेस, माय नंबर इज, व्हाट्सएप का जो नंबर है अगर आप उसे भेज देंगे तो वो भी आ जाएगा 70। दिस इज द नंबर, व्हाट्सएप नंबर। और आप देखिएगा, हैशटैग कीजिएगा ना, आपको मिल जाएगा मैनेजमेंट सर्किल। मैनेजमेंट सर्किल देखिएगा तो आपको बहुत सारा ऐसा क्लिपिंग मिलने वाला है। मैनेजमेंट
यस सर,
मिल रहा है ना, तो आपको आज हम आप लोग का जो वीडियो आज अपलोड करेंगे तो आपको बहुत कुछ पता चल जाएगा। सर्किल,
सर आपका चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दिए हैं।
अरे वाह, क्या बात। उससे उससे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है तुम्हारा कंट्रीब्यूशन। चैनल, आई एम लीस्ट कंसर्न अबाउट चैनल, लेकिन यस तुम्हारा जो है ना ये अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन, इसीलिए नेक्स्ट क्लास में आप लोग आइएगा ना सामने में तो और भी इंटरेक्टिव हो जाएगा, तो यू विल लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्लासरूम। तो उसको भी आप देख लीजिए मैम सके। तो Amritansu, you are great. I am simply here to help you out, and I love to interact with you people. You are outstanding, and make sure that yahi maintain rakheं. And very surprising, you are in the first semester and you are a BBA. My God, बहुत ही potential है आप लोगों में, and I do expect that you people definitely will be going great guns. ठीक है, एकदम इंटरेक्ट कीजिए। आज नहीं, कल से होगा, एकदम बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द डिस्कशन। आई विल अपलोड मोर एंड मोर सच स्टोरीज, ताकि पता चले दुनिया को भी हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं, एंड वी आर नॉट मीडियोकर्स, इसका बात का पता चले। तो आज हम लोग इतना इसी पर वाइंड अप करते हैं। अच्छा, अटेंडेंस ले लेना, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन। So your attendance is over, and very good that you people have done a commendable job today. And Aditi is entering now. You have missed it. Aditi, you missed it. We had a very great interaction today. Make sure that you are always there in the classroom and you be a part of it. Thank you, everybody. Shivam, thank you very much. Thank you all the members who participated today. And I expect कि बहुत सारे लोग coming classes में interact करेंगे। इसी बहाने आपका interaction बहुत important होने वाला है। Very good. आप चाहे वीडियो ऑन करके बात करें, आप चाहे ऑडियो पर बात करें, आप जैसे चाहे बात करें, आप मैसेज भेजें, कुछ भी। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू ऑल, अतुल and Shubham, everybody, you deserve it. So see you in the next class. Thank you a lot. Enjoy your day and enjoy the video of today's. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.